at the middle of last week, we had gotten test results back that showed that there was levels of perfluorinated compounds that were over the EPA's health advisory level. Those compounds are unregulated contaminants and it's still going through a lot of scientific rigor, but based on the fact that we were finding it in all 3 wells in Blades, Delaware, we wanted to first and foremost make sure that we advised you of what we had found, and secondly, get water available to all of you as quickly as possible.
How long has this water been contaminated? I don't think they're doing a thorough job. I want to know how long this has been like this. I want to know what kind of ways and what kind of tests that my daughter can have to ensure this is not going to affect her in the long run.
If I was a resident, I would have the same angst and questions that everybody in Blades and on private water out, at the outskirts of Blades have, and which is why we're here trying to answer as many questions.
Does this chemical deposit itself within pipes and therefore remain there until pipes are replaced?
That's a good question. I don't know the answer, but I can look it up and provide that information on the website or something at a later date.
My son has pituitary tumors and tumors on his kidneys, and the neighbor kid that lives 2 doors down has the exact same. So, they're saying, the town of Blades is saying that no, this isn't contributed. We're not seeing long-term effects. Well, you've never tested for this before. How do you know it's not these long-term effects?
In this case, because we're talking about long-term effects, it's a long-term exposure, and when we say that, it's not a year, it's not 6 months. We're talking about 30 years of exposure over a 70-year lifetime might lead to a slight increase in your cancer risk.
When we shower, is it not going to go in our pores? And last thing, if the water is bad, you guys still going to bill us for it?